there was a readback.
Oh,
I was the one lawyer who was assigned jury babysitting duty. I was the manager in Johnny's office. Johnny's birthday was the first day of deliberations. He and his wife went to the wine country to hang out. Barry Scheck went back to New York. A Neufeld went back to New York. Everyone thought it'd be at least a couple of days and not a week. It's a 9-month trial. There was a readback. And before the readback, they stopped and they said, we don't have all the verdict forms. Okay? The clerk gives the verdict forms back to the jury room. And 9 minutes after the verdict forms, there's 3 buzzes, there's a verdict.
Wow. Your heart must have
I remember, no. I would have been, listen,
I would have been.
There was no way this jury could convict O.J. Simpson in 9 minutes. I was convinced it takes longer than that to fill out the forms if it is guilty. You got forms that lesser included. You got forms, checkbox. It takes longer than that if it's guilty, I thought. I told that to O.J. He was in the lockup pacing like a lion caged, wondering. So, I have a colorful language. Motherfucker, don't worry. There's no way they convict you in 9 minutes. Every member of the team called me at home that night, asking me to figure out, read the tea leaves. What does it mean, Carl? What does it mean?
Oh, yeah.
I told every one of them that same story. Everyone called except for one lawyer. Bob Shapiro never called.
Yeah.
Because he was giving an interview with Diane Sawyer talking about playing the race card. So I was totally convinced because of the timing that the verdict would be not guilty.
But when this happened,
Yes.
because they say the verdict's in 9 minutes later after the readback.
They're going to hold the verdict for the next day.
Oh, wow.
Because of the concerns about riots. This was after Rodney King verdicts.
Yeah, they had to
so they were going to hold the verdict. So
everything.
that night, I called Johnny. Jay, he had to take the phone in a closet at a wine cellar in Napa. He took my call. Jay, they got a verdict. It was his birthday, October 2nd, 1995.
That's amazing.
He had to fly home to get the verdict. Yeah, so it was amazing.